Welcome to my YouTube channel, Legal Information Law Insights. I am Advocate Mukund Mahajan. We are now in stage 6 of our comprehensive series on the 18 stages of a civil case in India. This stage covers a key procedural requirement: filing of the Affidavit of Evidence, also known as the examination in chief. We'll understand what this affidavit contains, its legal framework under CPC, relevance of Bharatiya Saakshya Adhiniyam, 2023, BSA, supporting documents and practical court procedures. What is an affidavit of evidence? It is the written testimony of a witness, usually starting with the plaintiff's witnesses. The party whose turn it is to lead evidence must submit this affidavit, sworn before an oath commissioner. This stage replaces oral examination in chief, which was common before the 2002 CPC amendment. Under the Code of Civil Procedure, CPC, 1908, specifically Order 18 Rule 4, the examination in chief of witnesses can be submitted through affidavits. The Bharatiya Saakshya Adhiniyam, BSA, 2023 further governs the admissibility and proof of oral and documentary evidence under sections 54 to 65. Additionally, the Indian Oaths Act, 1969 regulates the administration and swearing of affidavits, ensuring their authenticity. As per established civil court practice, an affidavit, once properly submitted and affirmed, is treated as valid evidence before the court. Contents of Affidavit of Evidence: full name, age, and address of the witness. Statement that the facts deposed are true to personal knowledge or belief. Detailed narration of facts already mentioned in plaint or WS. References to documents being relied upon. Authentication of electronic or digital evidence, if any. Every affidavit must end with verification clause. Date and signature of deponent. Sworn before notary or oath commissioner. Electronic evidence and BSA 2023. Under the updated framework of the Bharatiya Saakshya Adhiniyam, BSA, 2023, whenever a party relies on electronic or digital evidence such as emails, WhatsApp chats, CCTV footage, scanned documents, or similar electronic records, compliance with Section 63(4) becomes essential. This provision mandates the submission of a certificate that includes metadata of the electronic record, details of the original device or source from which the data was obtained, and, where necessary, authentication by a qualified expert or system analyst. These requirements ensure the reliability and admissibility of electronic evidence before the court. Difference between examination in chief and cross-examination. The examination in chief is the first stage of a witness examination and is usually submitted in the form of a written affidavit, prepared by the party presenting the witness. After this, the cross-examination takes place, where the opposing party's lawyer orally questions the witness in court to test the truth and credibility of the statements made in the affidavit. If required, the witness may further be questioned by the same party during re-examination, which is also conducted orally in court and is limited to clarifying matters raised during cross-examination. Example case: affidavit with digital evidence. In a 2024 commercial dispute, the plaintiff filed an affidavit with screenshots of WhatsApp messages, email communication, attached Section 63(4), certificate with hash value and device ID. The court accepted the affidavit and scheduled cross-examination. Failure to comply with digital evidence protocols may lead to rejection of documents. Practical tips for advocates: submit affidavit before the next hearing date fixed for evidence. Ensure clarity, sequence, and annexure markings. Comply with BSA certification for all digital exhibits. Mention exhibit numbers clearly, example Exhibit PW1A. Prepare the deponent for cross-examination in advance. Summary of Stage 6. Examination in chief is presented as a written testimony through an affidavit submitted by the party or witness instead of giving oral evidence in the beginning. This process is governed by Order 18 Rule 4 of the CPC along with relevant provisions of the Bharatiya Saakshya Adhiniyam, 2023. Where the affidavit includes or relies upon electronic or digital records, it must comply with the requirements of Section 63(4) of the BSA, 2023, ensuring proper certification and authenticity. Additionally, all supporting documents that the witness depends on should be annexed to the affidavit to form part of the evidence on record. If you found this information useful, please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you can receive more such important legal videos in time. I assure you that I will continue to provide accurate, lawful, and research-based legal information on various topics through this channel. Your support means a lot to me, so I humbly request you to stay connected with this channel. By joining this channel, you can also receive special legal information and membership benefits. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon in Stage 7 of our civil case series. Jai Hind! Jai Bharat!